Roman, what sound does a cow make? What about a cat? What about a duck? Quack, quack, that's right. What about a horse? Do it again. A horse? What about a lion? Calvin. What about a pig? Do it again. And a doggy? And a big doggy. You don't remember the big doggy? What else? Bow, wow, wow. That's right. What about a monkey? Do the monkey again.
Have you done a horse yet?
Do the cow again. And the lion? No, the lion. What does a lion do, Roman? A lion.